COVID-19 concerns continue to spread across the country tonight, with the death toll now rising to 11. KCAU-9 reporter Hannah Adamson tonight sharing how health workers here in Sioux City are preparing should there be a case in Siouxland. That is our top story tonight at 10.
Tim, on the local level, health officials say when it comes to COVID-19, proceed with caution, but don't panic. This as efforts ramp up here at home and in Washington to stop the spread of the virus. The battle to curb the COVID-19 outbreak continues tonight, with Congress signing an $8 billion bill that will develop vaccines, treatment, and testing of the virus.
The bill is passed.
This, as Vice President Mike Pence announced earlier today, the U.S. is running low on test kits.
We don't have enough tests today to meet what we anticipate will be the demand.
As the death toll rises to 11 here in the U.S., health officials in Sioux City say they're not taking any chances. St. Luke's holding a community readiness forum around COVID-19 for healthcare providers, preparing them to handle the virus if the occasion arises.
Our folks are pretty well versed in this. Is just kind of routine. It's just a different new virus that we're having to deal with. But nothing outside of anything that we aren't normally having to deal with currently.
Dr. Michael Kafka answering questions on how the virus started and how it's similar to other major outbreaks in recent years.
I think the belief is that once you've been exposed to this, that you would have immunity to it and therefore not expect to be able to be infected by it again.
Tyler Brock with Siouxland District Health says since there's no vaccine available, social distancing measures could soon be on the table. And while he says concern is warranted, he adds most cases of COVID-19 result in mild symptoms and a full recovery.
We want to make sure that people are taking the precautions and taking it seriously, and yet being, fact-based, I guess, in their reactions to this.
While there are no confirmed cases of the virus in Siouxland, Brock encourages folks to take these steps to stay healthy. First, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds under warm water. Second, do not touch your face. Third, do not wear a face mask. Health officials warn masks should only be worn by people who test positive for the virus. And if you start to feel ill,
stay home when you're sick. That's another thing that we can't emphasize enough. Keep those around you, keep their exposure to a minimum.
And local health officials say measures such as monitoring potential patients in isolation or quarantine, separating classrooms, even canceling large group events are all possible. However, Brock says folks should consult health officials first before canceling any public event. Hannah Adamson, KCAU 9 News.